Transport infrastructure are the arteries of nation through which economy pulses. To resolve the ever-increasing need for traffic decongestion, accident reduction and ensure energy security, the government decided to upgrade the country's railway transport infrastructure. Seawalk Rangpo in less than 2 hours might not be a dream anymore. Yes, this is finally happening. Years of dedication and perseverance of the Northeast Frontier Railway, along with IRCON, has gone into this dream project. The proposed project has many benefits. The northeast part from Seawalk to Rangpo has a single road route, which is not very smooth. It mostly shuts down in monsoon due to landslides and jams and many other reasons, which makes travel very tough and it's time-taking. But this rail line is the ultimate solution for all travel problems on this route. This route connects Sikkim, which shares borders with China. So it'll be easier for the Indian soldiers to commute better and a supply of amenities. From Seawalk to Riang, to Teesta Bazar to Melli, and finally Rangpo, this is not a regular train journey, but an unforgettable experience, as this train, with a total length of 44.98 kilometers, crosses 19 bridges in all, where 15 are the major bridges, and it crosses 14 tunnels of the total length 38.555 kilometers, where the longest tunnel covers 5,270 meters and the smallest tunnel covers 538 meters. And the most thrilling part is that these tunnels cover 85% of the total journey, and an underground station, that is the Teesta Bazar. This new rail line holds immense importance, as the rail link will cut through mountains and valleys to connect Sikkim to the main Indian rail network for the very first time. To reach the popular destination Sikkim, the nearest railway station is Siliguri, which is 70 kilometers from Rangpo. But soon, this new railway line will be a game changer and will connect Sikkim to the rest of India through tracks. This railway line is also a green project, as it takes care of environmental concerns. This line crosses through Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary and Kurseong Forest Division, Darjeeling Forest Division, Kalimpong Forest Division and East Sikkim Forest Division, without disturbing the environment and the wildlife, as here the train runs through tunnels. This project is a real lifetime gift to us all and will be of great help and largely important for making travel easy and satisfying, for making Indian soldiers at Nathula border commute faster and easier, for connecting tough tourist destinations to the rest of India. It will improve tourism, as this route will connect many tourist places and hill stations such as Darjeeling and Kalimpong, and it will be easy for tourists to reach these destinations. Hence, it will improve revenue generated by tourism. For improving trade of industries like medicine, hydropower projects, which is main revenue generation source of Sikkim, as the places on this route will have better connectivity through this rail project. It will be very helpful for students, as this project, by connecting major states and towns, will open many professional and academic opportunities for students, and the travel will be much easier and cheaper and time-saving. And of course, for improving overall socio-economic life of people. So enjoy this unimaginable train experience, which makes life easier by connecting difficulties through track.